What is this called? Candy. What is this called? Chocolate. What is this called? Cake. What is this called? Cookie. What is this called? Ice cream. What is this called? Pastry. What is this called? Pudding. What is this called? Jelly. What is this called? Lollipop. What is this called? Caramel. What is this called? Fudge. What is this called? Brownie. What is this called? Muffin. What is this called? Cupcake. What is this called? Marshmallow. What is this called? Taffy. What is this called? Gum. What is this called? Nougat. What is this called? Toffee. What is this called? Truffle. What is this called? Gummy bears. What is this called? Donut. What is this called? Cheesecake. What is this called? Macaroon. What is this called? Candy cane. What is this called? Churros. What is this called? Custard. What is this called? Fruit tart. What is this called? Meringue. What is this called? Popcorn. What is this called? Sorbet. What is this called? Pie. What is this called? Tiramisu. What is this called? Pancake. What is this called? Waffle. What is this called? Rice pudding. What is this called? Halwa. What is this called? Baklava. What is this called? Barfi. What is this called? Zoalbia. What is this called? Shiryak. What is this called? Kataif. What is this called? Gulab jamun. What is this called? Pashmak. What is this called? Fernie. What is this called? Saffron ice cream. What is this called? Chicky. What is this called? Locum. What is this called? Kulfi. What is this called? Jalebi. What is this called? Basbousa. What is this called? Rasgulla. What is this called? Kheer. What is this called? Khaja. What is this called? Shrikhand. What is this called? Rubbery. What is this called? Faluda. What is this called? Besan Laddu. What is this called? Amarti. What is this called? Mysore pak. What is this called? Parfait. What is this called? Soufflé. What is this called? Crepe. What is this called? Choux pastry. What is this called? Florentine. What is this called? Hallouet el Jibn. What is this called? Vermicelli. What is this called? Kulich.